Hi guys, my name is Shabaz. Welcome back to the channel. And guys, we are back with latest grand bridal blouse designs. Okay, and this is a pattu blouse piece, and now we are start to stitching some resham load on downside of the sleeves. First, we are stitching one dory piping inside the load. Dory piping is a very important thing to stitching Ari silk thread load, because when you stitching Ari dory inside the load, your load also looking very thick and also looking very beautiful. Okay, so now we are using a dotar needle. It's a very beautiful and also very sharp needle, and is also used beginner and also pro for pro levels. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some upper side of the work, and I'm gonna tell you one more thing about these designs, guys. And some work are completed by them, but I'll try to stitch again. So now we are stitching sugar beads zigzag line on top of the border, and in this blouse design we are using lots of zardozi gold spring, and it's a totally huge bridal blouse designs, full sleeves and also full back. And we are making one animal in these sleeves, maximum 4 animals in the sleeves, like parrots, and back side we are using 4 to 5 parrots. Okay, I'll show you. And now we are using 7 number wooden needle. Wooden needle, it's not for a beginner if you have any idea, and maximum you have, if you use wooden needle, so maximum you need some ideas about Aariwork, so how to put this needle in your hand. And this is a very smooth needle, so I think you will break easily. So you used iron needle with the same number, with the 7 number. Okay, so now we are on the back and start to sticking some green color kundans. And this blouse design we are using combination color 71 BIP green. Okay, and every blouse designs depending on the combination color. If your combination color was good, so I think your blouse design also looking very good. Okay, and also focus on your combination color. Look at this border. Neck border is not too much heavy. It's just a simple border, one silk thread line and also one zigzag and some motis and other work. Okay, and now you are seeing 4 peacock on the back side, one center side of the back neck. Okay, and we also leave some gap for back tucks, because back tucks is very important for body fitting. So that's why you can see this back we leave some space for back tucks. Okay, so now we are start to stitching zardozi all around the kundans. Kundan was dry, and I have one more suggestion for you. When you're sticking your kundans, you maximum leave 10 to 15 minutes for dry. Then your kundan was dry, so I think it's very perfectly stitching and also going to long life. Okay, and now you are start to stitching some straight lines with the gold spring. Okay, and this is a leaf designs, and also we are stitching peacock and other work. And you can see this downside of the peacock little bit ready. And look at this blouse designs, very huge, and also it's a very grand bridal blouse designs. Okay, and if you want to learn this work properly, so you can join my 1 month classes. We will teach you everything about Aariwork. And if you want to proper like pro level work, that's why right now we are making that type. So maximum you need to join my 3 month classes. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some zardozi load. And look at this parrot. Oh, it's not a parrot, it's I think peacock. Okay, and look at this. And now we are using 7 number wooden needle, and we are also cutting gold spring with the little bit size, and gold spring cutting with the 2 variant. If you want to stitching gold zardozi all around the kundans, so I think you need to cut your zardozi 1.5 inches maximum. And if you want to stitching some zardozi load, so I think you need to cut a little bit small size. Now we are cutting already. So look at this. Okay, and this is a very useful for a silk thread zardozi load. Look at this. And downside we are stitching one straight gold zardozi line. Then we are start to stitching upper side of this gold spring load, and same gold spring load start to stitching top of the border on the neck. And also look at this peacock. little bit ready. And we are using also in these blouse designs like French knots and other work, tucks French knots and also real French knots. French right now is a trending work is a French knots and some zigzag and silk thread load and many more type of the work right now on the trending. Okay, and we are also making trending blouse designs for you guys. And if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for the future videos. And if you want any type of the help, please do WhatsApp on the same number I'll show you on the corner of your screen. So just to do WhatsApp, my team always ready for your help guys. So just ping me and tell me bhaiya I want that type of help and I'm not understanding that work. So my team will guide you and also give you very helpful tips and tricks. Okay, look at this, and look at this, that type work on the sleeves. Okay, and now we are start to stitching some more work on the back neck, like outline is a very perfect stitching tricks for complete. Look at this, when you not stitching outline on the any type of the work, so I think your work looking uncompleted. So compulsory you need to stitching a outline on in side of this any type of work. Look at this, when we are stitching outline it's looking completed. And you can see the other flowers without outline, so it's not looking completed. So outline is a very important thing to all type of the work. And this is a gold kasa bits thick thread, and also we are using dotar needle. Dotar needle is a very important. And if you want to stitching silk thread load, gold kasab load, any type of the load and thread, you need to use dotar needle. Okay, and if you want to buy these are needles, so please do WhatsApp on the same number. Okay, now we are start to stitching some tucks French knots. It's a very different and also try it guys, and this is a very awesome work. When that type of work you will stitch on your blouse, so I think your blouse looking very fabulous. Okay, so look at this, and in one needle is a 16 thread, one time is a 8 thread, 8 multiple by 2, so it's 16 thread in a one time. Look at this, and that's why it's a thread looking very thick, and that type of work you will do easily. And if you face any difficulties to doing that type of work, please do WhatsApp on the same number. We will teach you everything about this type of work. Okay, don't worry, you just message me and WhatsApp me, my team always ready for you guys. Okay, and if anyone want to order these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. All colors are available, you just tell me which color you want. Okay, my team will give you best design with best quality and also best fitting with the reasonable price. Okay, and now we are start to stitching zigzag. And zigzag is a very unique work on that time, because it's popular and also it's very useful for filling your gap with some unique work. Okay, and when you want to stitch like that type of work, you need to use dotar needle with the 2 thread. We are using inside this 2 thread, one is a combination color and one also is a gold 104 number BIP color silk thread. Okay, and you just stitching like zigzag like snack type, and it's a very beautiful. When this blouse was completed, I'll show you guys, it's looking very fabulous and also very beautiful. Okay, and it's always usable for your filling space, like your blouse design looking very spacey. So I think that type of work help you to fix your blouse designs space. Okay, so now we are on the sleeves and start to stitching some same work on this. We are stitching already on the back neck, and this blouse design was not completed in a one day. This blouse design taking maximum 3 days with the 2 workers, and you just see 10 minutes. So we are making all these blouse designs under 10 to 13 minutes, but it's not reality. Some designs were taking too much time for completed, and this blouse design was completed in 3 days, and it's very beautiful. Okay, and watch properly, and if you want any type of help, please do WhatsApp on the same number. So now we are start to stitching some peacock on the sleeves, and sleeves have a 2 peacock on the center of the sleeves, and we are also stitching a peacock with some zardozi, and also some kundans and gold spring, and some sugar beads and tucks French knots. Okay, I'll show you in the next step. So we are using now we are using 7 number wooden needle, not for a beginner. I want to tell you one more time, it's only for pro level. If you beginner, you don't have any idea how to put this needle in your hand, so I think you will break this needle. Okay, so you used a 7 number iron needle with the same hooks. It's a very beautiful needle. If you want to buy these needles same as it is, you just WhatsApp on the same number, my team will give you. Okay, so same as it is, we are stitching all these flowers, then we are start to stitching some other work. Okay, and look at this, all flowers making with the sugar beads, and also we are sticking some kundans and leave some nets for dry. Okay, and this is the second one sleeves, and we are making one by one sleeves. Okay, so look at this. This is a second one, last one French knots work on these sleeves, and also we are stitching all these sleeves with the zigzag and also some French knots. Okay, and this is a very unique work, and if you want to learn this work, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And I know guys, I'm not good in English. If I'll do any mistake to my explanation, please forgive me, as you like a little brother. And my lots of family members does not understand Hindi, so that's why I'll start to explain my work in English. So please, if I'll do any mistake, please forgive me guys, and I'll try my best always. And same as it is, we are stitching on this full sleeves, and then I'll show you the final exact blouse designs look. Okay, and if anyone to buy this blouse design, you just tell me which color you want, and if possible to send your blouse piece. If not possible, so you just tell me which color you want, I will make and send it to your address under 1 week. And look at this, and 90% was the blouse was completed, and some left work like a jerkin stand and little bit more work. Okay, so this is the final time to I'll show you the final blouse designs look at these blouse designs. It's a very beautiful, it's a very fabulous blouse designs. Look at this work quality, and these all material are very highly company material and also very original material. It's going long life, it's shineless and very long life, very beautiful and very good quality work with the good finishing. Okay, and if you want to buy these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. I'll show you the sleeves look at this. And we are also sticking some jerkins. This is a white shiny, it's a jerkin, and it's a very beautiful blouse design. And please tell me guys, how's my design, and also tell me how's my explanation quality. If I'll do any mistake to my explanation, please forgive me guys. And if you are new in my channel, please like and share and also subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the future video. Okay, and if you want any type of help, you just WhatsApp on the same number. We are also taking classes. You just join my 1 month classes and learn so much.